Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be doing kind of a combo video. So I'm going to be taking the items that I got from my last Juno Company shopping trip. We'll make that called a haul. And now they have a new feature on their website called the Lucky Bag, where you get supposedly over $100 worth of items for only $25. So those are still in this box. I've opened the box, so I don't have to do that on camera with you guys, but we will see what's inside the box as well. When I looked the other day, they didn't have it listed anymore, so I don't know if that's temporary and they're going to bring it back again. I just don't know. So we'll find out together what I got. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got from Juno Company, then just keep watching. Alright guys, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you go down to this little subscribe button, hit that, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you have never heard of the Juno Velvet Sponges, then I don't know what to say. These have been all the rage lately. I have them. I love, love, love them. So these are what they normally look like. They're blue, flat on one side. They come in different shapes actually. And then this is one I just recently got, which I love using to apply my powder because I love that big flat surface. And then this one right here is great to like get into those tight areas and just really tap things in. So I've really been enjoying these, but I saw that they came out with a pink one, which unfortunately is dirty right now because I just used it in another video. But this is the pink one and it works just the exact same way. Now, I can tell you, I like to use different color sponges, so I can use like one for concealer, one for foundation, or one for foundation, one for powder. So having two different colors can kind of be helpful for you on that, so keep that in mind. And then I've always enjoyed their brushes. This one said it was a foundation brush. This is the ES13. However, it's really small, so it's really, it's not firm, so it's pretty soft. I used it today to apply or blend out my concealer, and it did a beautiful job for that. I could see where it would also be really good to go in and do your powder under your eyes with it as well. But for foundation, I think it's just way too flimsy and way too small for me, the way I use it. So I like it, just not for what they intend it to be. Then I picked up a couple of their other prism palettes that they had on their website. So I got the Supreme Seductress and the Supreme Femme. If you saw my video the other day, it would be on Saturday's video. I actually did an eye look using this one. And I want to show you something that I figured out. So here's the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession Palette. And I'm going to hold it up and compare it to the shades right next to it. So these are yet another dupe for the Huda Obsessions. So that is the mauve. I don't have the other one that would match this palette, but here's the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and here's the Supreme Seductress one. So once again, look at these. They are really pretty close to each other. They don't necessarily have the colors in the same order, but they're pretty good dupes. And it's actually what I am wearing on my eyes right now, and I like the way it turned out. So happy with these. All right, so, oh, I didn't tell you prices. The palettes are $12 each. The brush was $5, and the sponge is $6. So now let's get into my lucky box. I will admit I watched two other people's videos just to see what they got in theirs. I want to know if I got a good deal or not. One of the gals actually got their makeup mirror, and that's a $60 value. So obviously I didn't get a makeup mirror in this box. So I'm hoping I got some good stuff. Let's take a look. And if I don't find it on their site, I'm going to look it up, and I put it towards the end of this video. So, okay, first thing I see on top is a palette. It's the Mermaid Makeup Brush. Oh, actually, no. Mermaid Makeup Brush Set. So let's open this up. That is my palette. I know what that means by mermaid. It means it's going to have a little fish tail at the end of all the brushes. I'll be careful of that. Comes in a nice white pouch with a pink zipper on it and a little seashell there. And oh, this is by Doe Color. So that's the same company, that lash comb that I use that you guys are asking me about all the time. That's the same company. And inside, okay, I was wrong. They are not the fishtails at the end. So this is all the brushes that we get. Let me start taking them out. They are not labeled in any way as to what they are. So here's the big face brushes. They're very soft, very soft. I don't like how they widen out at the bottom though. That's going to make it a little more difficult to fit inside my makeup brush holders. It's weird. These littler ones, they feel more like travel size brushes because they're so short. Okay, so I did see on the back of the box it actually lists what you get. So there's just a 10-piece mermaid brush set. So you get a powder brush, blush brush, foundation brush, which are these three I already showed you. Then we have somewhere in all these, put them up for you. We've got a big eyeshadow brush, a mid eyeshadow brush, a small eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, eyebrow brush, concealer brush, and a lip brush. And just to compare, here's one of my Luxie brushes. So you can see how short, oops, let's get these even back here, how short these are compared to your other brushes that you have. So again, this would be a really good travel set. They're decent. They're obviously synthetic. I'll have to play around with them and see how I like them. So I'll look and see if I can find these and find out what the price of it is. All right, next item I see is one of these Lollipop false eyelashes, which I will never wear. I will never, ever, ever, ever wear those. I see these on like Shop Miss A for $1, so I know that's nothing exciting. Ooh, I got another Juno Beauty Microfiber Fusion Sponge. So that is one I already have. So it's going to look like this when it gets big. This is the one I use to apply my powder with, so now I have a backup of that. Okay, this is, it says lips. This is by Folklore, and it is a lacquer lipstick in color 07, so it looks very orange. Yeah, it's really kind of like a burnt orange shade. Not one I would wear. It looks extremely matte. It does have like a magnetic thing on it, so that's pretty nice. It says it's a lacquer lipstick, but it looks really, really matte to me. So I'll look that one up too. e.l.f. Got a lip exfoliator in coconut. I have their lip exfoliator, but I don't have one in coconut. And I love it. It's actually my favorite lip exfoliator. So this one is clear. Definitely smells like coconut. And yeah, it's got a lot of good scrubbies in there. So that I'm actually excited to have another one because I'm due to get a new one, but I know this isn't very expensive. Okay, this is another one I know isn't very expensive. LA Girl Pro Face. This is a pressed powder. Okay. Then I have an LA Girls Radiant Skin Nourishing Longwear Liquid Makeup. You hear a motorcycle, that's my husband. He's home. That almost looks like it's too light for me. You guys can see that. Its color's ivory, so again, I'll look up the price of that. And I have another sponge. This is their Angle Contour Sponge. I think I saw another gal get this one. Check it out, see if it's the same one. Yes, it is. So this one's got a lot of different angles at it. So this one is curved. Then you've got a thin spot at the top. You've got another small angle there. Got a couple of tiny little angles that might be good to get in, like your inner eye corner or around your nostril. That might be another good one to do powder with as well. So I got another sponge, and I know these sell for $6, so we shall see. Okay, 2 more things in here. This says eyes, and it too is bifocular. Ooh. So yeah, this is a loose pigment, obviously in gold. So, see how that goes? This is by Party Queen. It's their Artist Shadows 9 Artist Shadow Palette. It's in a box like so. Not quite colors I would wear. So, yeah. Also, the sticker on the back is extremely crooked, so. Okay, let me look these up for you guys, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I've had a chance to go and look online for these products and find out what the price is on. So we are going to see if I did indeed get over $100 value with this box. So the makeup brushes, you can buy these off Amazon. They are $12.99. So we're going to keep a running total here on the screen to show you what everything's valued at. So $12.99 for the 10 brushes. The e.l.f., you can find this multiple places, including Ulta, Target, Walgreens, e.l.f.'s website itself, $3 across the board for all of that. Then I have the lipstick that I found on AliExpress for $4.99. The pigment I also found on AliExpress for $2.99. The Party Queen eyeshadow palette I found for $3.69. The lashes I found on Juno's website itself for $1. So they sell this for $1. Then we have the LA Girl products. We have the foundation, that's $8.99. And the powder is $6.99. And then I have both of the sponges that you can purchase off of their website. These are $6 each. So I totaled that all up and it came to $49.65. Not even half the value they said that I would get. So I'm going to be emailing these folks and saying, hey, what's up? You lied. Yeah, way off. I mean, I should have like twice as much stuff in this box, or at least the mirror. The mirror would have done it. So. Now, since I did email the company, I want to share their response with you. I love the fact that they did go ahead and make this situation right. They're sending me the mirror, which I'm very pleased. I would have been happy with just any product, to be quite honest with you. But since they did that, that means the world to me, and that's a company I will stand behind because of their customer service. So thank you very much, Juno and Company. When I get the mirror, I'll share it in another video with you guys. So I can see why they probably don't have it on their site anymore. Probably got too many complaints from people that it's not that value. Again, the gal with the mirror, she got a bunch of other things too, so she got her deal. I by far did not. So am I upset with Juno and their products and saying I'm never going to buy them again? No, I'm going to email them and see if they will try and make this right with me. If they don't, then yeah, I'm going to be upset with them. Am I going to boycott their products? No, because I really like their sponges. However, there's a lot of people coming out with dupes for those as well. And that's another thing I want to start testing is some of these dupe sponges for them and see if they are the same type of quality. And if they are, I don't have a problem switching over to them. So anyway, you guys, that just kind of gives you an idea when you try these boxes. Be careful what you're getting. Do a little research, see if other people are getting the same value out of their boxes as well. So thanks so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up because I got a dead box and you feel sorry for me. I don't know. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. You know, there's a little subscribe button. You should see it somewhere down here. So go ahead and hit that. If you have any comments, questions, if you went ahead and got this lucky box, leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.